Hello everyone. So today's problem is design HashMap. So we have to perform three important functions of HashMap, that is put, get and remove, but without using built-in HashMap libraries. So how are we going to do it? So here are the operations we're going to perform in our HashMap. We are going to use arrays to perform or implement our HashMap. So now if we are having an array map whose index is going to act as our key and the value stored is going to be our value. So now every entry we get, that is for every key, we are going to save that value in that particular index. So if we are going to put 5, 2, then in our map it is going to be index 5 and going to hold the value 3, that is 2 plus 1. I'll tell you why we are going to save plus 1 every time. The same way, if we are going to use get key, we are just simply gonna return the value saved in that index minus 1. So in case if we want to get 5, then return map of 5 minus 1. And if we want to remove, we are simply going to update the index with value 0. If remove of 5, then update map of 5 is equal to 0. So why are we assigning plus 1 value and returning minus 1 value? Because it is said that if that value doesn't exist, we have to return minus 1. In that case, every time we're going to put the value plus 1 and return the value minus 1, and if we remove, we are going to update it with 0. So whenever the value is not present, the map index will be having a 0, and whenever we return maps value minus 1, obviously if the value is not present, it is going to be 0 minus 1 and return minus 1 as our value. So why are we using this step? We can even use same arrays by filling the array first with all minus ones and just update the value with what value it is there and return the value with what is actually there and update with minus 1 if we have to remove. But filling minus 1 is going to take another big O of n time. To avoid that, we are not going to fill our or pre-fill our values. We simply going to update every time with plus 1 and minus 1 and retrieve in lesser time comparatively. So let's see how are we going to code it. So here they directly have given the number of operations will be in the range of 1 to 10,000. So since it is already mentioned, it is easy for us to use arrays with this size. So now we are going to declare our array as a global variable and initialize it inside our constructor. Plus 1. So now every time we get a key and value, we are going to update our array map at that index key is equal to value plus 1. And in get, we are going to return key minus 1. So in remove, we are simply going to update that index with value 0. So since the default value of array in Java is going to be 0, it is going to be easy for us to just put the value and return the value with minus 1 in linear time. So let's run this. Yes, it runs fine. Yes, so solution is accepted and it actually runs in 10 milliseconds, which is the fastest solution of all. So if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.